What to do when a woman distances herself and ignores you. When a woman starts distancing herself and ignoring you, the first instinct many men get is to chase her harder. They send more messages, try to explain, or show how much they care. But this common reaction often pushes her further away. Instead of solving the situation, chasing makes you lose your calm and self-respect. Understanding this moment correctly is essential. Distance and silence are not always personal rejection. Sometimes they are signs that she needs space to think, reflect, or assess her feelings. It could also be that something in the dynamic between you both is uncomfortable or confusing for her. How you respond matters more than what she is doing. The first thing you should do is stop reacting emotionally. Becoming anxious or desperate to fix the situation invites insecurity. When you react from panic, you give attention to fear instead of clarity. Take a step back and breathe. Calmness gives you power. Panic gives her pressure. Next, give her space. This means no constant calling, no endless messages, no demanding explanations. Let silence be silent. Don't fill it with pressure. Space shows respect for her boundaries and proves that you value yourself enough not to beg for attention. Many women actually appreciate confidence and calmness more than constant attention. While giving space, focus on your own life. Spend time with friends. Pursue your goals, improve yourself. This isn't about ignoring her back. It's about showing that your world isn't dependent on her reaction. Confidence grows when you live purposefully, not when you wait for someone to respond. If the silence continues for a day or two, send one calm and respectful message that reflects clarity, not neediness. Something like, "I noticed you seem distant. I respect your space. If you want to talk, I'm here." This kind of message is composed, respectful, and gives her freedom, not pressure. Ignoring back or being cold for revenge rarely helps. Manipulation pushes people further. The goal is to communicate maturity and understanding, not to win an argument or force a response. Another key point is to pay attention to signals instead of emotions. If she continues to avoid conversations, makes no effort to reconnect, or shows disinterest repeatedly, could mean her feelings have changed. This isn't a punishment. It's reality. Respecting that truth protects your emotional health. Finally, the most important thing you can do in this situation is be confident in who you are. Confidence is not arrogance. It's self-respect mixed with calm assurance. Women are often more receptive to calm strength than to anxious desperation. If she comes back, you meet her with respect. If she chooses not to, you continue your life with dignity.